Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to delete Microsoft account permanently. So, let's dive right in. First, navigate to the Microsoft website. This process works on both computers and mobile devices. Simply search for Microsoft in your browser and head to Microsoft.com. Once you're there, proceed to the top right corner and sign into the account you wish to delete. After signing in, click on your profile at the top right. You'll see some options. Click on My Microsoft Account, and a new tab will open. In the Microsoft Account page, go to the top left and select Your Info. It might take a moment to load your profile. Scroll down until you find the Close Account option. Click on it to proceed. You'll see a guide on closing your account. Microsoft emphasizes that deleting your account is permanent, so ensure you've backed up everything. Click Close Your Account. You'll be prompted to sign in again. Confirm that you're ready to close your account. Microsoft provides options to wait either 30 or 60 days before your account is permanently deleted. Select your preferred timeframe and click Next. Review and select all checkboxes acknowledging that you'll lose access to your account and its associated data. Choose a reason for closing your account and click Mark Account for Closure. Your account will be scheduled for deletion after the chosen time frame. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.